Welcome to POPOLOGY Networks. Here is a first-time user experience. Pop all of the bubbles of your interests. Technology, running, health, medicine, movies, dance, TV, wrestling, makeup and hair, mythology. Uncheck any box topic not intended to be selected. Next, pop all of the bubbles of the people you identify popular to you. George Washington, Dan Rush, Kobe Bryant, Elvis Presley, Steve Jobs, Mike Tyson, Joe Ray, Stan Lee, Benjamin Franklin, Madonna, etc. Great! Again, uncheck any box of the person not intended to be selected. Now pop all of your favorite brands that will sponsor your curated Popcast streams with their embedded commercial advertising selected and placed by you. Boeing, Loreal, Lowe's Home Improvement, Porsche, Comcast, Apple, etc. Uncheck any box of the brand not intended to be selected. Finally, pop all of the social media APIs that you want to populate content to in your PopSphere workspace. TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Google, Bing, Twitter, etc. Keep in mind, you should already be a member of the platforms you have selected. Remember, you can uncheck any social media box not intended for integration. Assign your username, email address, phone number, and choose a private password. You are now successfully signed up. You can now select a PNG photo file of yourself as your profile image.
Welcome to POPOLOGY.
You can change your PNG image here or change it in your POPOLOGY's dashboard. To log in, simply select Log In button and type your email and password.